Okay, let's talk social media crisis. A racist comment under your ad, a careless reply from a team member, or a product post that landed badly. All of this can turn your very peaceful Friday morning into a full-blown crisis sooner than you can message your boss on Slack. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use NapoleonCat as your social media crisis management tool, what it monitors, what it automates, and how your team can use it to get ahead of crisis instead of simply watching the house burn down. Alright now, but let's be specific about what we mean, because not everything is a crisis. A customer complaining about a late delivery is not a crisis. Someone leaving 1-star Google review, also not a crisis. Those are normal interactions. Then you can handle them appropriately and you move on. Someone leaving a 1-star Google review is also not a crisis. Those are normal. You handle them, you move on. A crisis is when the volume and velocity of the negative sentiment spikes fast enough to threaten the brand. Your CEO posts something unfortunate and it gets reshared. An ad comment section gets coordinated, a team member replies, gets screenshotted, and it goes viral. Okay, so let's take an example from 2025. I think everyone remembers the Kiss Cam scandal from the Coldplay concert when the Astronomer CEO got caught cheating his wife, and it went viral from a trending hashtag in under 24 hours to, even a fake crisis statement that circulated the web, and countless replies of this video. It became a meme and a theme for easily at least 2 weeks. And funny enough, the company's real response took around 48 hours to be online, and no one cared by that time. The pattern is always the same. Something seemingly small happens, then it spreads faster than anyone expected, and the brand responds too slowly, or it says the wrong thing, and it goes quiet. And that very short time frame, this gap between the crisis starting and the brand responding, that's where the real damage happens. So I'm gonna show you how can you be fast and efficient in crisis response using NapoleonCat. So the first thing that needs to happen in a crisis before any response, before any decision, is visibility. You need to see what's happening across every platform, get a sense of a scale, and all of that in real time. The social inbox pulls everything into one view, so you're not just monitoring one platform. You will see the comments coming in from Facebook, the DMs from Instagram, TikTok comments, whatever is going on YouTube, LinkedIn, or even if it impacts your Google reviews, all of it live in one place. When you filter by negative sentiment, you'll see immediately if something is spiking. Not after the fact, while it's happening. You will see one platform spiking up with negative comments, that's a red flag. 3 platforms at the same time, that's already a crisis in progress. Without a tool, your team would be checking this manually on each platform separately. The crisis is spreading out on TikTok while your community manager is maybe still catching up on Facebook comments from an hour ago. That's where things go wrong. But how would you know that we have a spike in negative sentiment? Well, the AI assistant is running constantly in the background. Every message that comes in gets read and tagged, positive, neutral, or negative. It detects also spam and hate speech, potential escalation. This matters for crisis management because the earliest signal of the crisis building up is a spike in negative sentiment. Not a news article, not a trending hashtag, a cluster of negative comments that arrive faster than usual, with more volume than usual. You see everything at once, so your team will get the signal early when there's still time to get ahead of it, instead of only noticing something when the volume is already unmanageable. Okay, so sentiment will give you the visibility about what's happening, and auto-moderation is what you will do with the comments until your team will figure out an official response. In a crisis, the comments section under your post, whether it's organic or ads, become vectors. People pile in. Some are genuinely upset customers, some are trolls, some are coordinated, and all of them will be visible to anyone who sees the posts. And with a crisis, the audience will grow fast with people who also normally don't follow your brand. Napoleon Cat's auto-moderation rules act instantly. You set the conditions. For example, detect hate speech and hide it automatically. And the rules run continuously across all your connected accounts. Your team doesn't have to watch every post manually. The system is already acting. This is especially important if your brand is running any ads during the crisis. Pausing or pulling an ad will take time, and in the meantime, the comment section under the ad is still live and it's still visible. Thanks to auto-moderation, you don't have to pause or pull your ad while the full crisis is blowing up. And here's how it gets more sophisticated. You can build rules that combine the AI sentiment detection with your own specific crisis triggers. So let's say you're a food brand and you have a product recall underway. Then you can set up a rule. When the comment mentions your product name and the sentiment is negative, it gets hidden immediately and it gets alerted to the team via email. Now the moderation and escalation is happening at the same time the moment a relevant comment appears. Or maybe your brand is in a regulated industry, finance, healthcare, or energy. Then you can set up a rule that will trigger an alert for an immediate human review when the comment is mentioning a specific legal or compliance term. And let's be clear, the rules don't replace judgment, but it makes sure that nothing that needs human judgment gets missed. You're essentially building in your crisis playbook into the platform. Set those rules in before anything happens, and eventually, when it will, the system is already prepared and running it for you. Okay, now the last piece, coordination. In a crisis, very often the weakest link are the people. Who is handling which comment? Where is the response approval? Has legal seen it? Who's responsible for Facebook? Who is responsible for Instagram? Napoleon Cat Inbox is a shared workspace. Your whole team works in the same view. You assign tickets directly to the right person. You leave internal notes and you can send specific comments for consultation. You will also see who's working on what in real time, so two people don't send conflicting replies to the same person. And for compliance-heavy industries like finance, healthcare, insurance, there's also a full audit trail of who responded at what time. Every action taken in the inbox is logged. Who hit what, who replied when, and if you ever need to demonstrate to a regulator or to a board if the crisis response is appropriate, you have that possibility there. Crisis management is a team sport, and Napoleon Cat is the shared pitch everyone is playing on. Let me put it simply, without a tool like this, you'll find out about a crisis when someone forwards it to you saying, look at this funny thing that's trending. Your team will scramble across multiple accounts and you will be writing responses under pressure with no context. With Napoleon Cat, the AI already flagged negative sentiments, so you know what's going on. Auto-moderation is already doing contagion in the comments section. Your team gets notified and it enters the shared inbox when the situation is already partially under control. Your response is from a position of some visibility instead of complete chaos. Sometimes there's no possibility in preventing your crisis, but if you're shortening the gap between the starting and your response, you're controlling the damage to your reputation and to your brand. The best time to set up a crisis management system is before you need one. NapoleonCat's 14-day trial gives you enough time to connect your accounts, set up auto moderation rules, and run through a dry run of your crisis workflow. No credit card required, and the link is in the description below. Subscribe for more videos like this. Next up, we will cover how to manage social media for multi-location businesses like franchise networks or retail chains, anything where you have to coordinate multiple accounts, maybe some local, maybe some central. And I wish that you will never have to test out your crisis management framework, but when you do so, you will use a crisis management tool for social media such as NapoleonCat, and I'll see you here soon.